Local news for Tuesday, the 12th of November. Emergency services and community groups will be out in force tomorrow night for the annual Wairarapa Wide Food Bank Appeal. Sirens will be heard around the region as volunteers collect non-perishable food items and items such as toothpaste and soap and sanitary products to help fill the shelves for the coming busy period. Wairarapa District Health Board is asking people to look at home for crutches they may have forgotten about. Charge Nurse Manager Catherine Wadsworth says stocks are very low. She says we're down to our last few pairs of crutches in ED, and we know there are a dozen pairs that could probably be returned and no longer needed out there in the community. South Wairarapa residents can drop their crutches off at their local medical centre. And the first significant exhibition of work by Richard Redaway will take place at Aratoy later this month. The body of work, It Does No Harm to Wonder, is the first significant survey of exhibition of Richard Redaway's artwork, from sculptures from the mid-1980s, photo montages from the 1990s, recent sculptural objects, new collaborative work with craftspeople and students. And both Red Star and Lansdowne suffered losses last weekend in the Coastal Challenge cricket matches, Red Star losing to Wairoa and Lansdowne to Whakanui Marist. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.